Hi everyone, and welcome to Painting with Jess. Today I will be painting this sunset painting. I hope you enjoy. I'm going to start with the water, putting my different shades of blue together to see what it comes up with and what I like in the end. I use the regular blue, some turquoise, and some lighter blue and mix it all together there. Remove the tape. Now I'm going to start with the sky with a light blue in the background to begin with. And then in the lower part I'm going to do some yellow, some bright yellow. Work my way to the top kind of thing. And then I've got some orange, adding pink, kind of trying to blend it together as I go. I'll add some purple. Doing a little bit of pink near the top, adding white to it to kind of mix it up together. And then I'm doing some blue and white near the top as well. Kind of making a neat blending effect with the purple. Now I'm placing some tape just so that I can get a straight line. Sometimes it's difficult when you're painting to do an exact straight line, so the tape is helpful. You want to use painter's tape though that comes off easily and doesn't take the paint off underneath. And always make sure, of course, that your paint is dry underneath completely if you're going to put tape on it. And now I'm adding some of the distant, darker building shapes and hills and stuff in the background. I like the contrast between the black and the brighter colors of the sunset. I think it looks really neat. Now I'm going to remove the tape, and you'll see that I had recently put some little lights along the bridge, which looks neat. And now I'll be finishing up the bridge. As you can see, I'm using paper again to kind of give me a straight line. And there we go. I think it worked out pretty good. Tell me what you think in the comments.